May I have your smelly bird?
Shut up.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat?
Come here, buddy.
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
So if Michelle starts, she gets out.
Exactly. You tell them, Robert. You tell them. Yeah.
What is it?
Excuse me?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Chemicals in here.
That's bad. Don't.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Are you stuck?
Theo.
sorry for your loss.
Misty.
Let's try again. Good morning.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's cold.
Bitch, yeah. Ma'am.
You say hi?
And I are gonna get dressed.
The water good too.
Come on, guys. Okay. Kane, let's go.
Go on. Say.
He's like growling, but he's
Shark, you hungry?
It's gonna be hot.
Happy birthday to you.
With mama.
get off the table now.
Espértame.
Hello, it's me.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Make it. Oh shit. Can I have my noodles?
None of that will be fine.
Stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it.
Yeet.
One kitty.
happy and you know it. Clap your hands.
Him that much. Hoppy!
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em. God, what are you doing?
He's very loving and kind.
Yay!
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
No!
Oh shit!
Is this the real?
Mm?